All right, EV enthusiasts, strap in because we're kicking things off with some explosive news straight from Tesla. A brand new report is dropping some serious truth bombs about Elon Musk's ambitious plans, and it turns out a massive hurdle might be completely invisible to most people. We're talking about a critical detail that could reshape the future of Tesla's most talked about technology, and frankly, most consumers don't even know it's a factor. Next up, we're heading to Hollywood, where a grim discovery has been made inside an impounded Tesla. Authorities are investigating after human remains were found in a truly unexpected place within the electric vehicle. This is a developing story with some seriously unsettling details emerging from the City of Angels. Then, we've got a critical situation on the roadways. A California Highway Patrol motorcycle officer was severely injured in a collision with a Tesla on the busy I-280. We're breaking down exactly how this happened and what it means for road safety and the technology involved. And finally, we're circling back to Tesla's own internal challenges. Despite a push towards AI and advanced features, a new report is highlighting deep consumer skepticism and a significant disconnect between the company's vision and public perception. This could have huge implications for their bottom line. Stick around for all the details, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Electro Drive News, and smash that notification bell. Tesla's big blind spot revealed. A new report is signaling a potentially massive obstacle for Elon Musk's future ambitions with Tesla, and the shocking part, the vast majority of people don't know it exists. This isn't just a minor hiccup. It's a deep dive into consumer perception and the critical role of Tesla's full self-driving technology. A recent survey by Slingshot Strategies, polling 8,000 Americans, found that a significant 35% of consumers would not buy a Tesla specifically because of the FSD system, which still requires human supervision. Even more telling, only a meager 14% said FSD would actually persuade them to purchase a Tesla, while a whopping 51% stated it would make no difference in their decision. Adding fuel to the fire, nearly half of those surveyed believe that FSD technology should be illegal. This widespread skepticism comes at a time when Tesla's reputation has already taken a hit, with net income declining significantly in the first and second quarters of the year. CEO Elon Musk himself acknowledged this disconnect, stating that half of Tesla owners who could use it haven't tried it even once. The company is shifting its business model to heavily focus on FSD and AI, yet consumers remain wary, especially since the technology's promise of true autonomy remains unproven. Public reaction is a mix of concern and missed opportunity. Many consumers are unaware of the FSD system's limitations or even its existence, while others are actively pushing for stricter regulations. Analysts are watching closely to see if Tesla can bridge this perception gap and prove the safety and reliability of its advanced systems. This is happening while EV adoption is crucial for both long-term cost savings for consumers and environmental benefits. So, how will Tesla overcome this widespread doubt and unlock the true potential of its groundbreaking technology? Stay tuned as we break down the strategies Tesla plans to deploy and explore what this means for the future of autonomous driving and the EV market. Grim discovery in Hollywood. Human remains found inside an impounded Tesla. A routine impound in Hollywood took a disturbing turn when the Los Angeles Police Department discovered human remains inside a Tesla. Officers responded to a report of a foul odor emanating from the vehicle at a tow yard on N. Mansfield Avenue, leading to a grim investigation. The remains were found in the front trunk of the electric vehicle, a detail that has added to the unsettling nature of the discovery. Police have launched a death investigation, but details are scarce as detectives work to identify the individual and determine the circumstances surrounding their presence in the car. The discovery has sent shockwaves through the community, raising questions about how and why the remains ended up in the impounded Tesla. Authorities are urging anyone with information to come forward as they piece together this disturbing puzzle. The incident highlights the unexpected places and situations that can arise, even within the advanced technology of an electric car. This shocking discovery in Hollywood is just one piece of the complex puzzle surrounding Tesla vehicles. Coming up next, we shift gears to a high-speed incident on the highway where a CHP officer was critically injured in a collision with a Tesla. CHP officer severely injured in Tesla collision on I-280. A California Highway Patrol motorcycle officer sustained major injuries after being struck by a Tesla sedan on southbound Interstate Highway 280 in San Mateo County. The incident occurred near the Alpine Road exit on a Monday afternoon. The officer was responding to a report of an electric leaf blower obstructing traffic and had initiated a traffic brake with emergency lights activated. According to the CHP, a 2026 Tesla Model Y failed to yield to the officer, resulting in a collision that ejected the officer from his motorcycle. The officer suffered severe, though not life-threatening, injuries and was transported to a local hospital for treatment. The driver of the Tesla remained at the scene and is cooperating with the ongoing investigation. It remains unclear if the vehicle's autopilot system was engaged at the time of the crash. This incident has sparked discussions about road safety, the responsibility of drivers to yield to emergency personnel, and the potential role of driver assistance systems in such collisions. The closure of multiple lanes on I-280 caused significant traffic delays for hours, impacting thousands of commuters. This dangerous encounter on the highway underscores the critical importance of driver awareness and vehicle responsiveness. But that's not all. We're also examining the broader public perception issues plaguing Tesla, revealing a surprising gap between the company's vision and consumer reality. Tesla collision ejects CHP officer, causes major I-280 shutdown. A serious crash involving a Tesla and a California Highway Patrol motorcycle officer has led to significant lane closures and major traffic backups on southbound Interstate 280 in San Mateo County. The incident occurred just south of the Alpine Road exit. Authorities report that the CHP officer from the Redwood City office was attempting to conduct a traffic brake around 1:41 p.m. after an electric leaf blower was spotted in the roadway. Despite the officer's emergency lights being active, a 2026 Tesla Model Y reportedly did not yield, colliding with the motorcycle and ejecting the officer. The officer sustained major, non-life-threatening injuries and was taken to a local hospital. The driver of the Tesla remained on scene and is cooperating. Investigators are looking into whether Tesla's advanced driver assistance systems were in use during the crash. This incident caused substantial delays, with 3 left southbound lanes shut down for several hours. This event has raised immediate concerns about vehicle awareness of emergency signals and the safety protocols surrounding driver assistance technologies. The CHP spokesperson confirmed the officer's motorcycle slid after the impact. The driver and a passenger in the Tesla were also airlifted to a hospital with major injuries. These critical incidents on the road paint a stark picture of the challenges facing automotive technology and safety. But the challenges don't stop there. We're also diving into a new report that reveals a surprising lack of awareness and significant skepticism surrounding Tesla's own signature technology. And that's a wrap on today's ElectroDrive news. We covered a shocking report on Tesla's full self-driving awareness issues, a grim discovery in a Hollywood tow yard, a dangerous crash involving a CHP officer on I-280, and a look at Tesla's ongoing consumer perception challenges. Don't forget to like this video if you found it informative, subscribe to ElectroDrive News for all your EV updates, and hit that notification bell so you're always in the loop. Let us know your thoughts on these stories in the comments below, and follow us on all social media platforms.